Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all the fellow humans. And today we are exploring the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Al-Hayy. Allah is the perfectly alive and ever living one. He is the source of life in all that is alive. This is Al-Hayy. That which is alive and active. Allah. All that is known and will be known is within His knowledge. All existence is comprehended with His action at all times. With the exception of Allah, the life of everything living is held within the limits of its actions and its realization. That realization and activity are the signs of life. When they end, life ends. The value of each life is judged by the extent of the knowledge and the activity of the living one. Allah Most High has given lives of different degrees and different kinds to His creatures. The value of a created being is in accordance with the degree of the signs of life in it. For example, a plant which is alive is more valuable than soil or stone. Plants are born, eat, drink, grow, propagate and die. They also possess knowledge, enabling them to differentiate that which is profitable from that which is harmful for them. They are also active. They seek and find what is needed for their growth and propagation in the air, in the water, and in the depths of the earth. They suck in what they need and they digest it and transform it into food. Fruit, remedies, and thousands of things that are beneficial to the higher forms of life. Yet they are unaware that there is a higher form of life than theirs. Life in the animal is more highly developed because the animal sees, hears, and moves. The life of vegetation is inferior to the life of the animal. That is why the animal is the master of vegetation. It steps on it, grazes, and eats it. There is also a degree of life superior to that of the animal. The Creator has honored humanity with that superiority. Human life contains all the qualities of vegetal and animal life, only in perfected form. In addition, the human being has intellect. The intellect with which we have been honored analyzes, compares, concludes, figures out the end at the beginning, and takes the action in accordance. We know and act upon our knowledge. That is why we are the masters of this world. The most elementary signs of life are birth, eating and drinking, breathing, growth, and propagation. The higher sign of the higher form of life is to know and to act consciously in accordance with that knowledge. People also differ one from another in the degree of their aliveness, which is judged by the extent of their knowledge and their action. The lowest degree of knowledge for a human being is the awareness and knowledge of oneself. Whoever does not know himself and is not aware of his own existence might as well be dead. The words of the unconscious living dead are dead and deadly. Run away from them. Within the sacred name HAYY, pronounced by people of Marifa, true knowledge of reality, to whom the mystery of the ever-living one has been divulged, there is life. Hear it from their mouths and let it penetrate into your soul so that you too may come alive. So who is Abdul Hayy? Abdul Hayy is he in whom Allah has killed the worldly desires of his flesh, thus giving him the eternal life of knowing himself. A believer who recites this name constantly, if Allah so wills, will have a long and happy life. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.